Happy Women's Day, everyone! Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going on a trip. Here I'll So when I come to my place, I will show you a little tour. Bye. This is the hotel we are staying. One day, have a look at it. Isn't this place so beautiful? Have a look. Look at these spiral leaves. Aren't they so beautiful? Hi friends, I'm in my hotel. So you can see my hotel, how it looks like. This is the bedroom. The little TV. And there's a little desk over there if you want to study. Look, in this closet there is a safe and a little fridge. That is so cute, right? I know. Look at this bathroom. It has a sink, it has a shower, it has everything. This bathroom is so nice, right? Restaurant ready to eat in my hotel. So here you can see it if you want. Let me see. Look at this chicken soup. Isn't it so delicious? When I tasted it's so yummy. I ordered gobi and biryani. That's so delicious. This is the final tour of my hotel and restaurant. Hope you liked my hotel and restaurant tour in my trip. If you like my tour, then like, subscribe, share. Bye. If you want more videos like this, then tell me in the comment section. Bye.